To install your Isovac dental isolation adapter, first, ensure you have all the proper components ready. Your Isovac comes with instructions for use, 3 Isovac control heads, and accessories. 3 control heads are provided, so one is always ready when you need it. 1 on the chair, 1 in the autoclave, and 1 ready for your next patient. For some dental units, a connector may be required for installation. To find the correct connector, consult your instructions for use, or contact your Isolite customer service representative. To install, remove your existing valve from the HVE coupler. Attach Isovac directly onto the HVE coupler. Press firmly in place. To install, remove your existing valve from the HVE coupler. Attach the Adec connector onto the HVE coupler. Attach Isovac onto the Adec connector. Press firmly in place. To install, remove your existing valve from the HVE coupler. Attach the Pelton and Crane style connector onto the HVE coupler. Attach Isovac onto the Pelton and Crane style connector. Press firmly in place. Test the dual vacuum levers to confirm suction. If you have any questions, contact your Isolite customer service representative at 800-560-6066. Thank you.